drove over the blast site around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, went to Lenardi's, got a roast beef sandwich, drove back over the blast site again, because it's on Glenview Drive, came back in the house, and we set it aside, and we continued to do our laundry and do all the things we were supposed to do. And at 6 o'clock every night, we sit down and watch the 6 o'clock news. Well, the explosion happened at 6:09. So our roast beef sandwich is still sitting in the kitchen cut in half, because we don't eat in our chairs. But we just got a cup of coffee, set it down, started to watch the news. All hell broke loose. The explosion was so loud that we weren't sure what it was. We thought something blew up.